Hi, this is Rajiv Kumar Love and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to talk about a very important quality that is fast fading away, disappearing away, and all because of technology. And that quality is curiosity. Curiosity. I feel that today I hardly find anybody who is curious about anything. So you ask them, have you seen this? Have you read this? Or have you thought about this? Or have you tried this? Or have you, done this? And the answer I generally get is no. And the reason is by, having technology at their fingertips, they feel that they know everything. Now, I remember my school days. During those days, we were curious about all small things also. In our science class, we were studying about cockroaches. And whenever we come home and we saw a cockroach crawling somewhere, I and my friends would, go after this cockroach and we would have a real heated argument about whether the cockroach was a male cockroach or a female cockroach or a nympho cockroach. We were very curious about, who is singing a song or who is the songwriter or who is the music director. So we were curious about that and many other things. We would just be curious about why this is like this, why this is like this. But today it's not like that. So why is curiosity important? Curiosity is important because if you're curious, you think. When you're curious, you ask a lot of why questions, what questions, how questions. And thinking is nothing but asking questions. And when you think, then you will try out something, you will experiment something, and then you'll get results. Again, it's important because when you're curious, you will try to find out what you really love doing, what is your mission, what is your vision, what is your purpose, what is your passion. So curiosity can give you a big benefit in life. So the message I want to leave you with is don't let this powerful quality die in you. Keep it alive and it will give you a rich dividends. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you found the message useful. Yes, then please share it with your dear and near ones. Until my next video, bye bye.